Hello, hello. If I have a cat, an Oriental rug, and one day my cat will decide to pee in a corner where I'm pointing with my finger, all the way in the corner over there, and the cat's pee pee on the rug, and the smell, it's horrible. I'm going to the pet supermarket and buy all those cleaning products that's promised me. Then the cat is going to be tall, blonde, green, whatever you want. But the pee-pee, it still smell in the rug. And I apply Nature Miracle, Febreze, Resolve, Woolite. I name it, you use it. And the pee-pee, it's still in the rug, smell bad. If you will ask the right question from a service provider, you will receive the best cleaning process, I guarantee. Allow me to guide you what kind of question you should ask a carpet cleaner or Oriental rug cleaner to remove the nasty odor. And by the answer, you will know if this is the right service. Most of the customer, when they're calling, they're asking, what do you charge to clean my Oriental rug? They didn't describe the problem. And the Oriental rug cleaner give him $2, $1, $3 a square foot without knowing what is the problem. For example, Mr. J having 2 cats that pee on the Oriental rug constantly. The smell in the corner, when you will see it in a second, it was horrible. The cats pee constantly on the rug, and the smell drive the lady and Mr. J crazy. So here I am upon delivery, and he asked me, before I pick up the rug, I saw your video. So when you deliver the rug, I'm going to go on my knees, put my nose where is the cat peed, and if I smell any pee-pee or deodorize or chemical smell, I am not going to pay you. I said, deal. And this is what you should ask, because you pay me to remove the cat urine odor and all the chemicals that I applied in the past. I want to be sure when you deliver the rug, you removes all the cleaning, the pee-pee, the cat pee-pee, and bring me the rug soft and fluffy, free from soap, deodorize, enzyme, and all the chemicals that was dumped on the rug for a long, long time. Yes, this is what I pay you for, and this is the service that I'm asking for. Can you accomplish this mission? And you will see by the answer if this is the right service for you. So, if you're having a cat with a urine odor, you should ask many questions. What to do, how you do it, who is going to clean it, and so on. Listen how my machine working. Cleaning an Oriental rug from dirt and soil, it's a totally different cleaning process than removing urine odor. What's the difference? If your rug is in the entrance of the house, they're having a traffic area and blackish from the road. You need a good cleaning service for this type of rug. Maybe my cleaning process is not suitable for for this problem. But when you're having a urine odor, the pee-pee, the crystal of the urine that drive your wife crazy, it's in the foundation of the rug. You have to clean the rug through the fiber, from the top to the bottom, from the top to the bottom, again and again. Washing the rug through the fiber is the key element to eliminate the urine odor. If you wash the rug from left to right with a scrubber and all the soap and enzyme that you already apply on the rug, you just move the pee-pee from left to right in a foundation of the rug, and the crystal that ignite the odor will still remain over there. So by using deodorize to cover the odor, it's only for short period of time. And then the urine, the crystal, will learn how to eat the oil from the soap, the detergent from the deodorizer, and you will end with a smell of pee-pee vanilla that will drive you crazy because it's awful smell. For this reason, I invented a cleaning product from the Dead Sea. Then it is odor free. I never mask the odor. I remove it completely. And how I know when I finish the cleaning process? I'm looking at the tube. If the tube is still yellowish, I still having some times to clean the rug. And when the tube is completely clear, I finish cleaning the process. I let the rug dry on the floor flat for the next 12 hours, and the next morning I can hang the rug. So like this one, I can be sure the color will never run. PetPeePee, would you like your Oriental rug to be clean like this?